hair. This is their 13 by 5 side cornrow, hand braided, knotless, plaits in the back wig. This can be applied glueless or with glue. This wig will run you, it's on sale for $139.99. This is in the color 1B. The unit came inside this beautiful black and gold box, and then inside of the box there was this bag, and inside the bag is the unit itself. It is 28 inches, so this is how the unit looks. It's actually in a net, and we'll come back to this. They also give you all of these beautiful clips that we're going to be using. So y'all know I love my clips, and I love decorating my units, especially when it's a braided unit. So we're definitely going to be using this, and I'm going to show you guys different styles that you can do with this unit as well. So let's get into the construction and remove the net. So in the inside of the unit, we have, well, first we're going to get into the lace, and it comes with baby hairs. They're really long, so we got to customize them. But this is the unit here, and this is the lace. It is a 13 by 5, so as you can see, it is 13 across, and then it goes 5 this way. Inside of the unit, we have 3 combs. Okay, so we have 2 combs on the side, we have 1 comb in the back, and then we also have the adjustable strap here that you can use to tighten it to your liking. All right, and I do like that the net is like a mesh see-through. So yeah, so these are the braids that come in the unit. They're like kind of medium size, between medium and small. So yeah, so I have my cap on, but only in the back, just to hold my braids down, just because I don't need like the cap to show here, because I like my braided units to just show naturally without me using a cap. It just looks way more natural. So the first thing that I'm gonna go ahead and do is cut the lace, and you guys don't need to watch me cut this lace. The next thing that I'm gonna do is just take my bow hold, and I'm gonna add it to the perimeter of my head where I'm going to be applying the unit. So while I'm letting it dry, what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and take my foundation to go ahead and put it shade in my wig. Alright, so once that's done, I'm gonna check and see how the unit looks against my skin, and this is what we have here. Alright, and I like to stick my comb in the back first, and you just align that. Alright, and then you're gonna take the unit, and I like to apply my combs to the perimeter as well while I'm laying the unit. So I'm just going to flatten that in. All right, and then I'm going to go ahead and get my baby hairs laid, and then put a headscarf on, and then come back to show you guys some different styles that you can do with the unit. So I'm just going to open up the pack that they gave me, and this is a lot. Like in the beauty supply store, you get like a few of these things, and you pay like $3. So it's like a little collection. It's really, really cute. So y'all know I'm gonna go with gold. I'm just a fan of gold, so I'm just gonna do gold. So I'm gonna take some of these, and they're so cute. They're like little crowns. Okay, and then I'm just gonna add it to the braid. See, I just did edges like on the side, and then I left this side like this just to look more natural. Okay, so I'm going to show you some styles that you guys can do. So you can leave the unit straight down like this, the way that it is, if you like, The next thing that you can do is you can put it in 2 ponytails. There we go. All right, so we have 2 ponytails. This is how it looks in the front, and this is how it looks in the back. So this is how you get your buns. I'm feeling real like Japanese with the robe on with the buns. So these are the bun look. This is how it looks in the back. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and take this hairstyle out. Alright, so the next hairstyle is going to be half up, half down. And this is your half up, half down. Alright guys, so the last style that I'm going to give you after the half up, half down is going to be your half up, half down bun. And all you're going to do is, after you do your half up, half down, you're just going to take the hair and then wrap it in a bun. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you let me know if you like this unit. You can give this video a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and press that subscribe button. Go ahead and join the family. I'm showing y'all easy protective styles that are cost friendly and also styling friendly where anyone can do it. This is Wequeen hair. Let me know if you've ever heard of Wequeen hair, if you've tried a braided unit and all that good stuff. All right, y'all always ask me, I am 5'5", and this is where the hair comes on me. Well, 5'5", 5'6". On a good day, I'm 5'6". Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys so much. Be blessed. Bye.